Today I'm going to be doing Zuko's hair from Avatar: The Last Airbender. I've gotten so many requests for this haircut. Now before I get started, I have a really cool announcement. I'm filming from 3 different cameras because I realize I have ridiculous, amazing camera gear. So I've got the C200, which is the main camera, the C300 Mark III, which just came out, which I'm actually using as a B cam for close-ups, and above me I have the GoPro 8, the Hero 8, filming downwards this way. So we're gonna see a lot of cool new types of shots and footage. Let me know what you think. So let's do the haircut, follow along, and I'll break it down at the end. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the haircut, and I'm going to break it down for you all. So what I really wanted to focus on doing was starting off creating the length and getting a very, very wispy and texture type of look, and I did that when the hair was wet. So I used my razor. This is actually called a feather razor, and it's a professional hair tool which is used very, very often by us professional hairstylists. It has a guard on it here so you don't really hurt yourself or take off too much hair, but it's really amazing for removing weight and creating cuts like this. So after I cut the entire head shape, a lot of this was kind of pre-existing, and I just really went through the entire head, removing weight and allowing to get this kind of piecey texture throughout the entire thing. And that can be done with the razor, right? The razor really takes out a lot of that bulk and just makes the hair much flatter and closer to the head and much more wispy and piecey, right? So then what I did is I worked that same type of technique in throughout the front here, and really essentially just creating kind of like a point. As you know, his hair kind of comes to a point right in the center, and it's very, very edgy, right? So, and there's a variety of different ways that I've seen it, but for the most part, it's usually coming right down towards the center here. So you have to make sure you leave this part the longest, and then in through here, I really went over each section with the razor, so I made sure that I can piece this out, right? And again, he's got maybe some separation right in through there in the very, very front to really accentuate this frontal piece here. And that's it. And I blow dried it. The thing is to make sure you blow dry the hair nice and straight, nice and smooth. And in order to do that, I used the vent brush that I sell on my website. It's an anti-static vent brush. Any person can use this brush because it's ideal for blow drying the hair. You need to use a brush to make that hair nice and smooth and to be able to control it. And then the awesome thing is that it's an anti-static brush, so you're not going to get all sorts of static and flyaways, which is horrible. So it's a really amazing brush, and I sell them on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. I use no product whatsoever. A lot of this really is just going in and piecing this by hand. So if you are going to be doing this for Comic-Con or anything like that, or any cosplay stuff, a lot of it's just really going in and piecing out. And then if you want to, you can use hairspray to really lock it in. But let me know what you guys think. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.